Bit of a different video today, guys. Basically I'm going to be reviewing this. It is a Kershaws classic steaklet and chips with onion gravy and baked beans. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's stab it. You have to do each section. And the last one, stick it in the microwave. Let's see how long for. We've got to stick it in for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. There, well, 7 minutes for, and then we've got to pierce the film back, turn the steak over, recover and cook for a further 4 minutes. So I'll update you when it's done. Right, it's been 7 minutes. We've got to take it out. Just be careful because it's a bit hot. We've got to, let me just try and move it over here. So we've got to stir, or it says we've got to turn over the stapler. Right, we've got to turn this over, turn the stapler over, stab it a bit, if that works, clearly not. Stir up the beans, move the chips around a bit. Because they don't stick together a lot. And now we've got to put that back in for a further 4 minutes. For a further 4 minutes. There. And then we'll see what it tastes like, and then obviously I'll taste each bit, and then I'll do a quick time lapse, and then obviously I'll see at the end and just tell you what I thought about it. So that's been another 4 minutes. Obviously I've let it cool down a bit as well. Let's try a bit of the steaklet burger. That's actually got some alright taste to it, like the gravy's not too rich and salty. The burger, you can taste the beef straight away. Try some of the beans. They're not bad either, like they're just your standard beans, but they're alright. Let's try some of the chips. Again, they're not the best, but they'll do. I'm going to put this onto a plate, do a quick time lapse, and then I'll speak to you at the end what I think about it. To be honest, this, yeah, it was alright. Like the steaklet, yeah, the beef steaklet was alright. The gravy wasn't too like salty. The beef was alright. The chips, yeah, they could have been better. The beans were just your standard beans, but they're not too bad. Plus, you can't moan at £1.89, and plus, like they use the other stuff to do like sausage, bacon, egg, tomato, chips, and beans. They do like fish chips and mushy peas. They do all day breakfasts. They do a pie one. They do quite a few, to be honest. It's not too bad on the calories. It's only 493 calories. Obviously all the cooking instructions are here. You got the put it in the oven in the microwave, and they're alright to be fair. Look, they've got a big breakfast here, they've got a sausage and chips one. Obviously it's by Kershaws. Frozen foods. This one's the classic. Yeah, really, it was alright to be fair, like, could have been better. But yeah, that's basically me reviewing the microwave meal. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.
It's like it's playtime, and it's free time. In the dance, yeah, they have a talk of glance. Yeah, we stepping out the room. Got money in my mind. I got pussy shine, credit for my line. And I try, really try, focus on my grind. Why they wanna watch when I ain't got the time? I ain't got the time. Calling me the lyrical one, gangster. I am not a digital one. Give me the rum, let me be a mythical one. And I puff with DDM down. I think it's playtime. Took her to the